Welcome to Top Travel 10. Today, we're taking you on a journey to one of the world's fastest growing and most captivating cities, Doha, Qatar. With its blend of rich history, modern architecture, and luxurious experiences, Doha has something for every traveler. Whether you're planning a layover or a longer stay, make sure to stick around as we'll unveil the top 10 must-see attractions that will make your trip unforgettable. If you like traveling, subscribe to our channel and don't miss our videos. 1. The Corniche. Our journey starts with the iconic Doha Corniche. This picturesque waterfront promenade stretches along Doha Bay, offering stunning views of the city's skyline. It's the perfect spot for a leisurely stroll, a morning jog, or simply to soak in the vibrant atmosphere. Hop on a traditional dhow boat cruise for a unique perspective of the city's glittering skyline at sunset. 2. Souq Waqif. No trip to Doha is complete without visiting Souq Waqif. This centuries-old market is where tradition meets modernity. Wander through the narrow alleyways filled with the scent of spices, colorful fabrics, and traditional handicrafts. Make sure to stop by the local eateries to taste Qatari dishes like matbous, or try the famous karak tea. Pro tip: visit in the evening to see the souk come alive. 3. Museum of Islamic Art. Next up is the Museum of Islamic Art, an architectural masterpiece designed by I Love Qatar. Situated on its own island, the museum showcases over 1,400 years of Islamic art from around the world. From intricate ceramics to rare manuscripts, every exhibit tells a story of the region's rich cultural heritage. And don't miss the panoramic views of the skyline from the museum's cafe. 4. Katara Cultural Village. Katara Cultural Village is where culture and community come together. This vibrant area hosts festivals, concerts, and art exhibitions throughout the year. Marvel at the impressive amphitheater, explore the art galleries, or relax on the beach. Katara is all about celebrating the diversity of cultures, and there's always something exciting happening here. 5. The Pearl Qatar. For a taste of luxury, head over to the Pearl Qatar. This man-made island is home to high-end boutiques, luxury yachts, and some of the best restaurants in the city. It's the perfect spot to indulge in some retail therapy or enjoy a delicious meal while overlooking the marina. The Mediterranean-inspired architecture will make you feel like you've stepped into Europe. 6. National Museum of Qatar. Next on our list is the National Museum of Qatar, designed by the renowned architect Jean Nouvel. This stunning structure, inspired by the desert rose crystal, tells the story of Qatar's history, from its natural beginnings to its rapid modern development. The immersive exhibits make it an engaging experience for all ages. 7. Aspire Park and Villaggio Mall. If you're looking for relaxation, Aspire Park is Doha's largest park, offering green spaces, walking trails, and even a lake, perfect for a family outing. Right next door is Villaggio Mall, a shopping destination like no other, with a canal running through it, complete with gondola rides. It's a fun mix of shopping, entertainment, and dining. 8. Desert Safari. No visit to Qatar is complete without experiencing a desert safari. Head out of the city to the inland sea for an exhilarating day of dune bashing, camel rides, and traditional Bedouin camp experiences. Watching the sun set over the endless dunes is a moment you'll never forget. Pro tip: book a guided tour for the safest and best experience. 9. Al Zubarah Fort. Step back in time with a visit to Al Zubarah Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Located just outside Doha, this historic fort gives you a glimpse into Qatar's past as a thriving pearl fishing and trading center. The archaeological site surrounding the fort is fascinating for history buffs and provides a stark contrast to Doha's modern skyline. 10. Mishreb Downtown Doha. Finally, explore the modern heart of Doha at Mishreb Downtown. This sustainable urban development blends cutting-edge technology with Qatari heritage. The area is perfect for walking, with plenty of cafes, boutique shops, and cultural spaces to explore. Don't forget to hop on the free tram for an easy way to see it all. And that wraps up our top 10 must-see attractions in Doha. Whether you're into culture, luxury, adventure, or history, Doha truly has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow travelers, and subscribe to Top Travel 10 for more travel guides and inspiration. See you in the next adventure.